In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your email signature in Freshdesk. Whether you're an individual agent looking to personalize your messages, or an administrator aiming to streamline communications across the board, I'll guide you through each step of the process to ensure your email signature is just the way you want it. Let's start with what individual agents need to do. First, you'll want to navigate to your profile settings. To get there, simply click on your avatar, which you'll find at the top right corner of your Freshdesk interface. Once in your profile settings, locate the signature field. Here, you have the flexibility to either add a new signature or modify your existing one. The rich text editor provided by Freshdesk allows you to be creative and precise with your signature. You can format the text to suit your style, add hyperlinks for easy access to your social media or website, and even include images. Remember, any images you add need to be from publicly hosted URLs to ensure that they're visible to anyone receiving your email. Once you're satisfied with how your signature looks, don't forget to click Save. This ensures that all your hard work customizing your signature is stored and ready for use in your future emails. Now, let's move on to what administrators need to do, especially if you're setting up global or team signatures. You'll begin by navigating to the Admin section, which is your control center for all advanced settings. From there, head over to Workflows and then select Email Notifications. You'll find various options here, but what you're looking for is under the Templates tab. Here, you can edit the Agent Reply template. This is crucial because it's where you'll insert your global signature content, ensuring it accompanies every agent's response. If you're familiar with HTML, you'll be pleased to know that you can switch to the HTML view for precise control over how the signature is formatted. Once you've made the necessary changes and are content with the outcome, make sure to save these changes. This will make the global signature active immediately. For those seeking even greater flexibility, Freshdesk offers a signature management app available in the Freshworks marketplace. This app is particularly useful if you're managing multiple products or teams and want to keep your signatures organized and relevant. The app allows you to set up various custom signatures, which can be quickly inserted into replies with just a click. This is a fantastic option for keeping your communications consistent and professional across different departments or brands. With these tools and options in hand, you should now feel empowered to manage and customize email signatures in Freshdesk, ensuring all your communications are polished and professional. Thank you for watching, and remember, your email signature is a powerful branding tool, so make sure it reflects your style and objectives perfectly.